Here is how to change language on Badoo. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can change language on Badoo. So let's start. First of all, let me open the Badoo app and log into my account. After you log into your account, you'll come to the home screen like this. Now when I go to my profile and then go to settings, there is no any option to change language on the Badoo app itself. So you don't have the option to change language settings on the Badoo app. Thus, in order to change the language of the Badoo app, you will have to change the language of your phone as a whole. For that, simply go to the settings of your phone. Inside settings, go to general management. Then after, go to language. Now set the language that you want to use on the Badoo app and then enable it. After you do that, the language changes will also appear in the Badoo app and you will see the new language being used on the app. Well, that's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.